My cat is a weirdo. Look at him. What are you doing sitting in there? Is that what? Dirty? Get out. Here, come over here and try out your new water fountain instead. I just got it from him. This is the Catit Fresh and Clean water fountain. Whole 100 ounce. Very quiet. The pump up water. Here's the max fill line, I guess. So I guess water drop back into the bucket. And there's the carbon foam filter underneath it. Okay. And it doesn't look like you want to get out. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're embarrassing me. Come here. Fine. Oh well, just want to show you guys real quick.